Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED screen notifications on Realme C67 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go to the Play Store or App Store on your device, and then here you can install this application. Well, after that, just open it. Then here, click OK, and then you can press this button to display our other app on this app. And then return to the previous page. You can click Allow. Well, and then here you can customize it in this section. Start border colors. Border type. Here will be there a lot border types and you can customize as you want. Okay, next, one style. Here you can choose between two options and you can set it sweep or linear as you need. Okay, next you can set animation speed, border size, radius top, and radius bottom. Okay, and then here you can also enable display note according to your device. Or you can enable display hole. Or display infinity between U and Y style. Well, next you can exit and you can set notification duration. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use LED screen notification on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.